superstar Babushan's upcoming new Odia movie is streaming under the banner VVS Films. Srimati Vasant B. Venkateswar Rao is the producer. Screenplay and direction by K.V. Ramanna. Music is scored by Premanand. Dialogue by Dr. Ranjit Patnaik. Very soon you will see Babushan in his upcoming new Odia movie Premi. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment. And for more entertainment, please subscribe Ollywood Masala.